And before this video starts, I want to give a big shout out to Jesse Pronte. His channel is really awesome. He has really funny videos and all that. And also Blake Watkins. There's a whole bunch of them, but he has a picture of this guy like flying. But yeah, they're both my friends. They have very good quality videos, and they're very good. Blake Watkins does videos about guns and Nerf and all that, and he does vlogs too. And Jesse Pronte does vlogs and really funny videos. So yeah, you should go check those channels out. They're really cool. But yeah, enjoy the video. Hey guys, what's up? It's the Crazy Cuber, and today I'm going to be doing a new series called Weekly PLO. Okay, so this series is going to be in order from easiest to hardest, and so I'm going to be doing them every Friday, either every Friday or Saturday. So yeah, let's just get straight to it. So first one is just going to be an H-perm. So the algorithm for this is M2, U, M2, middle 2, U2, M2, U, M2. Okay, and I'll show you that one more time. Okay, I'm going to show you that again. Okay, so you go M2, U, M2, U2, M2, U, M2. Okay, so notice how I am with the back of my ring finger and my middle finger. I am doing that. You finger trick it. It's way faster that way. Because if you do this, it's not that fast, but if you go, then it's way faster. So, yeah. The algorithm will be in the description. You can write it down. But, yeah. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like. And if you haven't already done so, follow me on Twitter, like my Facebook page, and of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!